This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Caemmerer. Like new 4-bedroom / 3 full bathroom home. This lovely, updated home has vaulted ceilings, new wood floors and a remodeled kitchen with concrete island and sliding doors that open onto a large new deck. Nice layout with 2 bedrooms / 2 baths upstairs and 2 bedrooms / 1 bath, laundry, family room and office downstairs. Primary bedroom has its own bathroom and walk-in closet. Located on a quiet, easy-to-access road with Treehouse Park just steps away. Very clean and truly move-in ready. For more information, review the details below or contact Caemmerer at 360-303-8782.